This is not just a free plugin, folks, it's also a free technology. So this is NAM Rig, created by the same guys who started Black Salt Audio, and NAM Rig is a NAM player. So what is a NAM? Well, NAM stands for Neural Amp Modeling, and it's a technology created by Steve Atkinson that is free and open source. So essentially what people can do with NAM is model their amps in stunning realism, and not just realism for the sound, but also for feel. And then they can take that, or you can of course do this yourself, not just your amps, by the way, and not just guitar amps. This can also work for, say, bass amps, pedals, digital amp modelers like a Kemper or Line 6, etc., etc. You could also technically even model, software amp sims. So again, essentially what a NAM does is it models the amp, the feel of the amp, the uniqueness of the amp, the compression, the tone seg, all that stuff. It models all of that and creates an extremely tiny file that you can then play inside of a NAM rig or a NAM player. And by the way, there are other free NAM players out there. This is probably the best one out there right now though. And it allows you to have your amp sound digitally. You may need to never buy another amp sim again, because a lot of people are using this technology. And built into NAM Rig here, we can log into our Tone3000 account and choose from over 500,000 models that other people have modeled their amps, sometimes amps and cabs, pedals, etc., etc. And you can download those for free. So it's pretty crazy, right? To have all of that built right within one plugin. So if you want to get it for yourself, it's namrig.com. And this is Tone3000. Tone3000 is 100% free. Again, this is where people upload their models to. I think there's some other sites too, but this is probably the biggest one. But if you want to head there, of course, I'll have links for both of these in the description below. So now we'll go over the plugin here, show you how it works. It's very easy, very straightforward. Here we have a completely dry guitar sound, right? Okay, so up across the top, you have your presets. You can load factory presets or even save your own presets. You have a built-in tuner. That's pretty cool. You can change the interface brightness, darkness there. Now, across the top here, this is your main area. You have a section for pedals, a section for amps or amp and cab, and then a section for cab. So the first thing we want to do here is find some sort of a guitar amp. So we can come over here to browse, of course, once you're logged in to your Tone3000 account, which again is free to create. And over here, we can dial down through all, or go to pedals, amp and cab, amps, or just cabs. First, we'll do, say, just amps, okay? And it's very, I have auto load selected down here. So all I really have to do is click. It's going to download and put that right there in the spot. Now, because this is just the amp, of course, it's not going to sound very good. So that's where the cab comes in. Now for the cab, I could grab an impulse response that I already own, and I'll just grab one kind of randomly and drop it right in there. Super simple. Now, of course, I can always change it around, drag another one in there. Listen to that. Okay. Change out the amp. Maybe I want more of a Marshall sound. I could also come down here and maybe type in like a metal guitar, metal or a Mesa or just whatever I want to put in there. So here's some metal, maybe a Mesa dual rec. Change that out. Very cool. And then within your NAMs, you see as I click in here, or of course I can even click down here. Now, some NAMs are going to have basically multiple snapshots. So what you have to understand about NAMs is they are an exact setting of whatever settings were on the amp at the time. So it's not going to model the behavior of, say, the mid, the treble, the depth, etc., etc. It's just a snapshot of exactly how it was when it was modeled. And that's why oftentimes you'll see a NAM that has multiple snapshots within it with, different settings on the amp, because we all know that an amp is going to react differently based on your tone stack settings. So you can go through them if they have multiples and just choose the one that you like. But maybe over here on this cab, I don't want to use an IR. That IR doesn't really work with this. No problem. I can also search for cabinets directly in here. So maybe here's a free one. Click that. Somebody modeled their Mesa cab. Pretty cool. So of course you have outputs on each of these, power for each of those. You can favorite things, which will then be in your favorite tab there. You have created NAMs, so you can of course create your own NAMs. You have a recent list. You have local. So if you want to download, so if you want to come over here, for example, you want to come over here to Tone3000 and check out the amps like this, which you can, by the way. Come over here, check them out, right? Come down here and change the type of sample that you're listening to, right? All kind of stuff you can do. You can also play directly into Tone3000 by connecting your guitar, to your interface, connect that and play directly into it to see if you want to download that directly from Tone3000. So you can download that and then, directly from the website, put that into one of your folders, set that as your root folder, and then those will show up right there as well. So tons of options for finding your different NAMs. Now coming back up here to this cab, maybe we'll get rid of that cab and we'll select different cab here. Try that one. Okay, but maybe instead I want to have a NAM that contains the amp and the cab. I can do that. Let's just get rid of those there. Let's come to amp and cab. And then again, I could type in whatever I want or just kind of look around, or maybe go to my favorites. Have some good ones in here already saved. Here's one called Metal Guitar Mix Ready. And in this case, because it's the amp and cab, we don't need to load up a cab. That's cool. Again, this one has multiple snapshots within it. And a really cool thing about this, how they design this, if we come back here to say just the amps, and I'll just load up any amp, and then I'll just load up any cab. So this is really cool, right? I don't know what this sounds like here, but okay. So what I can do then, this is really cool. Back to amp and cab. We'll just go to my favorites. We'll grab this one here again. Whenever I choose something that has an amp and a cab, it actually mutes that cab for me, so I don't have to remember to pull that out. So that's pretty cool that they built that in right here to NAM Rig, completely 100% free. So across the bottom, you have sort of like a tone stack, but it's not really a tone stack. It's more like a post EQ. Okay. So we're not, again, because a NAM is a snapshot of how the amp was at the time. Whenever you change it with EQ after the fact, it's not the same thing as adjusting the tone stack on the amp. I'm sure we all understand that, but you do have a gate built in, add some extra gain, mess around with the bottom, the mid, the top, and then you have a mix right here, overall output, and then power. Again, pretty self-explanatory, right? Right, pretty cool. We'll come down here to a different sample. So this is the Tone3000 section. You can close that browser if you don't want to see that. Of course, open it back up so we can find things. Again, go through our favorites, or maybe we're gonna just browse here. Listen to it. Just drag guitar, and I'm thinking like a Marshall sound. So I'll just type in Marshall. Comes up real quick. Just grab whatever I want. Of course, I could do amp and then load a cab however I want. I can change this from most downloaded to best match. I can change the way the list displays here. Okay. So maybe we'll just grab this Marshall here. This is the amp and the cab, and we got a couple different settings in here. Perfect, man. A great realistic sound just that fast for 100% for free. I mean, that is crazy, man. And basically in all head-to-heads, when NAM has gone up against other technology, whether it's modeling circuits, which is how most amp software is made today, whatever goes up against it, it always comes out on top for realism. One thing you got to understand, man, is there's some amp plugins out there that aim for a more polished sound, and that's completely fine, right? If you want to throw something in and just be done, you can do that with your different amp plugins. What NAM aims to do, and what it wins every head-to-head that it has, is it aims to actually model the actual sound of the real amp. So then after that, of course, you can use whatever plugins you want, EQs, maybe a little compression, whatever else you want to shape that tone, just how you would if you owned that real amp or recorded from that real amp. Okay, so that's what NAM emulates, is the actual real true amp, not necessarily a completely mix ready sound. Okay. Sounds great, man. Sounds very realistic. Maybe this Marshall major the pick. Again, this is free, dude. Oh, it sounds awesome. Can sweeten it up if I want. Change that mix. Now maybe I want to add a pedal in there. So So I can come over here and I can search for a bunch of different pedals, and there's tons of pedals that people have modeled. Again, folks, you have over 500,000 choices over on Tone3000 from gear that people have modeled. Of course, favorite things. I've already favorited. Maybe I'll just favorite this just so I can show you. I just click that, come over to favorites, and then that will show up. Well, let me get rid of this Marshall right there. It will show up right here as favorited. So I'll grab maybe the TS9 pedal, put that on there. Then a few different settings for that pedal have been modeled. Then of course you have your CPU usage, either light or full. Being that I'm recording the screen, I'm going to keep it at light, but even whenever you put it up on full, it doesn't take, a terrible amount. Like, that's just amazing, man. And again, it's not just the sound, it's also the feel of the amp. So you really need to try this out for yourself. And there's no reason to not try it out for yourself, because it's 100% free, man. I mean, it's crazy how far AI has come in this very short period of time, to where now it can model amps and model the feel of the amp for free. And that technology is free for everyone. So you can model your own amps, model your own digital gear, even model plugins if you want to have, separate things within here that you can just call up real quickly. Oh, here we go. We got a Fender Super Reverb that I saved. This one is awesome. Awesome. I actually don't need that pedal. Awesome, dude. 100% free. Maybe an orange. There's amps in here for all kinds of different styles of music, from metal, rock, country, pop, even, folks, even gent. Right? Make sure I favorite that so I can always recall it whenever I want, man. And whenever you find something or set up something that you want, maybe you set up these different settings here. Maybe you have an amp and a cab. Maybe you have a pedal in there, whatever it may be. Make sure you save that as a preset. So I can name this gent, right? I can always recall that very quickly right there. Just grab it and I'm good to go, man. So that's it, man. NAMM rig, 100% free. NAMMs are 100% free. Tone3000 account, 100% free. Model your own stuff. Download things that other people have modeled. I mean, it's just crazy what you can do now for free. Here's a Diezel, man. Here's a Diezel. How many people out there can afford a Diezel? Somebody modeled their Diezel, a bunch of different settings here. And in this case, I'll need the IR there, or the cap. Again, man, head over here to nammrig.com and download it 100% for free. Head over to Tone3000, create your free account. Again, man, if you want to browse the different tones directly on Tone3000 and download them and transfer things that way, drag them in, put them in a folder, whatever you want, right? You can do that as well. You have so many options here, completely free options, by the way, between Tone3000 and NAMM rig. And if you're new to NAMM Neural Amp Modeler, be sure to head over here and look through this stuff here. He kind of goes into it. Some of the technology that he used. Thank you, Mr. Steve Atkinson. Created this for free, gave it away for free, kept it free, man. So now we all have access to over 500,000 sounds, basically every amp ever, for free. So again, man, head over there. Again, I'll have those links in the description below and get your free NAMM rig and your free NAMMs, dude. Girl, 100% for free.